Good morning, dear learners. So in previous class I have completed the explanation part of chapter 4. So today we will do the exercise part of the chapter. So first we have the fill in the blanks part. Okay, so first point is, to start a computer we need to first switch on the supply button. So I explained you that for opening a computer system we have to follow certain steps in a sequence. Like first of all we have to switch on the main power supply, and then we have to switch on the UPS, then we will open CPU, and at the last we will open the monitor. So in this fill in the blanks part they are talking about the first step. Means to start a computer we need to first switch on the main power supply button. Okay, so we will fill power here in the first part. Second point is, if the electricity goes off the makes the computer work. So अगर electricity चली जाती है तो who makes the computer to work? So it's UPS. I told you that UPS works like an inverter for computer. If the power goes off then it support the computer to work. Okay, third is, to turn off the computer click on button shutdown option. So on which button we have to click? For turning off the computer we have to click on the start button, and then we will click on the shutdown option. Okay, fourth is, Windows is the most popular that makes the computer work. So Windows is the most powerful program that makes the computer work. So what we will fill in fourth point? We will fill program. Okay, last one is the first display screen when we switch on a computer. So the first screen that we see after switching on a computer is called a desktop. Okay, the fifth point you will fill desktop. Sorry. Okay, now come to true and false part. So first true and false point is, the first screen of Windows is called desktop. So it is true, because in the fill in the blanks part also we have done it in point number 5. So the first window that we see is called the desktop. So first is true. Second is, icons are the background display of the desktop. So no, it is false, because icons are the small pictures that we can see on a desktop. It is not the background of the desktop. Okay, so second one is false. Next is, title bar is located on the top of the desktop. Okay, so as I have shown you the picture of the desktop on the first page, you all can see here. Okay, so we have taskbar at the bottom of the desktop, not title bar. Okay, so third one is false, because we found taskbar button as the bottom of the desktop and title bar is present on the WordPad window, not on desktop. Fourth is, the first step to start a computer is to switch on the monitor button. So no, it is false, because the first step is to switch on the power supply button, not the monitor button. Okay, when a window is activated it turns gray. So this part I explained you while moving the window. So when we click outside any window, so its color turns gray. The gray color indicates that the window is inactive. Okay, so when a window is gray, the border of the window is gray, so it means it is not active. Okay, If the title bar is gray, it means the window is not active. So the fifth one is false. When a window is active, it turns gray is false, because when the window is active, it turns blue, not gray. Okay, next is the MCQ part. Makes a computer work when electricity goes off. Who makes a computer work when electricity goes off? So it's UPS, not CPU. Okay. Second is button on the title bar makes the WorldPad window smaller in size. So it's restore down button. Okay, because by clicking on close, we can close the entire window. If we will click on minimize, so the window will be disappeared from the desktop. वो desktop से minimize होके कहाँ पर आ जाएगी, task bar में आ जाएगी, है ना. But if we want to make the size smaller, so we have to click on the restore down button. So first A option is correct here. To open the WorldPad program, click start all programs and then what, and at the last WordPad. So if we follow this sequence, so after clicking all programs, we have to click on accessories for opening WorldPad. What will come in the blank part? Accessories will come here. Okay. So to open the WordPad program, click on start all programs, then accessories, and then WordPad. Okay, so that's all for today. Complete these 3 portion of the exercise in your book only. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.